Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting daily weather briefing. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the past 24-hour weather and about the weather that we are expecting during next 5 days. First, let's look into the past 24-hour weather. So, as IMD issued weather forecast in previous days, rainfall activity was observed from southern part of the country and from Sikkim. Kanyakumari districts of Tamil Nadu, Long Island, Mayabandar, and Port Blair stations of Andaman Nicobar Island, Idukki district of Kerala, Mangan, Singik, and Sangaland stations of Sikkim has reported rainfall activity. There was no significant cold day or cold wave conditions reported from any part of the country. Also, there was no significant fog conditions reported from any part of the country. Coming to the synoptic system that observed during today morning. So last few days IMD was monitoring about a cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay of Bengal and neighborhood region. Now this system seen at Southeast Bay of Bengal extending up to a height of 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level. As a cyclonic circulation seen at up to 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level. Under the influence of this system, we are expecting rainfall activity over Andaman Nicobar Island during next 3 days. Thereafter, it reduces. We are expecting heavy rainfall activity also over this region during next 24 hours. And heavy rainfall activity over Andaman Island during 18th February, that is on day after tomorrow. Strong surface wind is also present over this region, will be present over this region with a speed of 20 to 30 km per hour during next 48 hours. So IMD was monitoring about an western disturbance at a height of 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. Now this system seen as a trough at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level at a latitude of 30 degree north and 78 degree east. And there is a trough runs from North Kerala to Marathwada, and there are strong northeasterly winds prevailing over South Tamil Nadu region. Under the influence of this system, we are expecting rainfall activity over South Tamil Nadu and Kerala region next 5 days and over South India, Karnataka, Vidarbha during next 24 hours. And a fresh western disturbance is approaching at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. Now this system seen at 55 degree east and 30 degree north. As I mentioned earlier, under the influence of the cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay of Bengal, fairly widespread rainfall very likely to occur over Andaman Nicobar Island during next 3 days, then reduces. Isolated heavy rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm lightning is also expecting over Andaman and Nicobar Island on 17th and over Andaman Island on 18th February. Strong surface wind is also will be present over this region during next 48 hours. Isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall likely to occur over Arunachal Pradesh during next 3 days and fairly widespread during subsequent 2 days. Isolated scattered light to moderate rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya during 19th to 21st February and over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura on 20th and 21st February. Isolated heavy rainfall is also expecting over Arunachal Pradesh on 20th February 2022. Under the influence of the trough that runs from North Kerala to Marathwada and also due to the northeasterly wind over coastal Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric level, isolated light or moderate rainfall very likely to occur over South Interior Karnataka and Marathwada on today and over Telangana during next 2 days and over South Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 5 days and scattered light or moderate rainfall over Lakshadweep Island during next 2 days. Isolated light rainfall is likely to occur over Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh on 17th, 19th and 20th and over Madhya Pradesh on 18th and 19th February. Under the influence of the western disturbance, isolated light rainfall or snowfall very likely to occur over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad on 17th and 18th, and over Himachal Pradesh on 18th February 2022. Isolated or scattered light or moderate rainfall very likely to occur over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim during next 5 days, and isolated light or moderate rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha on 20th and 21st, and over Jharkhand on 20th, and over Bihar on 21st February. Strong surface wind is also likely to prevail over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh on 90th and 20th February. Coming to the temperature forecast, over Gujarat state, we are expecting a gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 3 days, and a gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And over Bihar, gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius for next 3 days. And over Gangetic West Bengal, no significant changes is expecting over next 3 days. And our central part of the country, no significant change in the minimum temperature is expecting for next 3 days, and thereafter a fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. No significant change in the minimum temperature likely to occur over rest of part of the country. Coming to the weather warning for next 5 days, over the country except over Andaman Nicobar Island, there is no warning. Over Andaman Nicobar Island, heavy rainfall activity with thunderstorm and lightning is expecting today and tomorrow. And 20th and 21st, we are heavy rainfall is activities expecting over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya for 2 days. That is on 20th and 21st. IMD's forecast and warnings are also available on the Mausam, Damini, Meghdoot app. These are available in the Android and iOS platform. And IMD's forecast and warnings are also available on the IMD's websites and IMD's social media pages. Thank you.